Some weeks feel like they're never going to end. And this was definitely one of them. You know, those kinds of weeks where everything is exciting, but also really stressful at the same time, where your brain is running at 200% and you're just trying to hold everything together. Well, this vlog is one of those weeks. I also just hit 75,000 subscribers and I just want to thank you guys for this. Anyway, I hope this vlog also shows that it can be stressful and not every week is perfect. Morning, you're recording. Wow, what a setup. What I wanted to say is I wanted to take a shot of you. Really aesthetic with the screen. You won't see this, but it's half broken.
Hello Tom audience. Do you have a name for your followers? The Tom projectors?
Drop a name. What should I call you?
Like I remember back in the day when Logan Paul was vlogging, he had like the Low Gang. We should have a name for it.
Oh, that's a good one, yeah. I was just walking in the park. It's nice to do during my lunch break. Just like be in nature a bit. This is close to the office, so that's really nice. I was just checking out the community and someone posted a win. He earned 2K with a single video. What is really like the difference between this and like someone else that maybe gets $20 for a video, you know? The crazy thing is not that the edit is 10 times more crazy or 100 times more crazy. And of course the edit is great. However, that edit of $20 is not 10 times worse. That edit is also really good. And there's one big difference. There's literally only one big difference, and that's the results that video generates. If I follow my YouTube password is. I think it's a great exercise to think of like, okay, what if I'm the client? And in a lot of situations I am the client, so I can really think of that. But you should do it too. If you are the client and you're hiring an editor, do you really care about how much time someone spends on it? Or do you just more care about the result? The result of the video or the results the video get? Maybe that's more leads, more views, more sales. If a video performs well, then you're so happy to pay for that, right? But let's say you get an amazing edit. The edit is super great, but the video performs really, really shit. Then it feels weird paying a lot of money for that. And then on the other side, as an editor, it's also nice to get paid per result, because you can spend 1 hour on the video, and if the video performs really well, then you can still get paid a lot of money. So that's a big difference between that video of 2K and a video of $20. Summer in Amsterdam is really the best. It's amazing. I always think like maybe we shouldn't have seasons, but it also makes me appreciate it more, because I know that we'll have a winter of like a few months where I won't see any sun. And it's just gonna be grey and raining the whole day.
Slow down with the greatness, gotta take time, pose out on a bait thing. On a date night, they try to imitate mine, that's a hate crime. Bros in a can, throwing hands, that's a cage fight, big crib.
I'm so ready for this shoot. Yeah. Took a bit to set up, but excited. Really excited. What do you think of it?
It's seriously, it's fun.
This is not gonna go in and then.
And they get paid for outcomes and not hours, and that's why they win.
There's like this natural, like almost like
Build up.
And then I would just say it's like, welcome to Studio Editor.
Yesterday in Flavor Park, I went to the bushes. Hello everyone. Send me a DM on Skool. I'm super excited for the rebranding. I really can't wait. I
used to cop a lot, but never cop no drop. Hold mics like ponytails tight and bobble ops. Stop, stick around.
Alright, I take my words back. Rain is horrible. Make it stop. Hi. Can I have one butter chicken?
Sorry y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is motherfucking players.
It doesn't happen often, but didn't sleep well, and mainly because I was just pondering and thinking and like, am I making the right decisions? Is this really the right direction to go into? I don't know if you sometimes have this. I don't have this like weekly, maybe like once a month or something. And it's just shit, because then like I think about this in bed and I can't sleep and just make it worse. The great thing is, of course, I now woke up and it's launch day. So I'm really excited for that. Meaning that I'm gonna launch the new brand of the Skool community, like the rebranding and the whole new direction I want to go into. And that's also the reason why I was like pondering last night, because like these are like big changes or big decisions, because you're also thinking of like, oh, what can go wrong? What, like, where is this going? It really helps that today's that announcement, because I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. It's funny what the contrast is between yesterday night, like just keep how it is. Don't do a rebranding. And it's funny, right? Like being out of the comfort zone, Like that's always scary, or like leveling up is scary. And like sometimes it can be a wrong mistake or wrong move. Maybe it all doesn't work out. However, at least you don't regret. And that's the most important. If you feel it in your heart that you should do it, then you should do it, right? Like there's a thing of like intuition, like a gut feeling. It's so important to follow that. And I've had many decisions in my life where that was the case, where I was scared to do so. Or I was like thinking like, oh, what if it goes wrong or doesn't go the right way? And yeah, sometimes it didn't go the right way, but it went a whole different direction than I would have ever thought, you know? At the end of the day, you can only think of so many scenarios of what can happen, and you only have influence over so much, right? But at the end of the day, what comes out of that, yeah, like, who knows? No, don't show the brand. They don't pay.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, because
that means you're gonna launch today.
no, we're just having this. No, yeah, I'm gonna launch today, or at least that's the goal.
You know what I did last time? I had like this, like literally like.
You warmed it up. Don't let her know. I put your pastries in the microwave. Next time I'll be there. I'll say it to her. Yeah, I put your pastries. It's nice. Yeah. I'm out to find a printer to print some stuff. I don't know with you guys, but I don't have a printer anymore. And now I need to print something for Rohit, because Rohit is actually coming to the Netherlands. I'm super excited for that. Someone in the community actually won a trip to the Netherlands. Basically, I'm paying the flight and the hotel for Rohit. And to come here, he needs like a visa, so I need to fill in some documents. It's just a lot of like paperwork, and you have to print that. Why do you have to print it? Like, why can't it be online? But first one, it already is like... It's now almost 11 o'clock, still at the office, but I just launched the new club, Fullstack Editor. It's so crazy. Oh, what a relief. And everyone is so happy with it too. And that was the most scary thing, right? Like that's what kept me up last night. I was thinking like, am I making the right choice? How are people going to respond to it? But people are really happy. And now editing a video that is already up, and in my opinion is like my best video that I've edited and recorded until so far. So I just went to like a local bakery. They make amazing pastries, and it's so nice for in the weekend just to treat yourself to some nice pastries. But I was thinking like, why are they charging a premium? Why are they charging so much? Because there's like a lot of pastry shops or like bakeries in the neighborhood, but they charge way more. The other shops are also open really early, but it's about the quality they deliver, right? The pastries are really good. The croissants, oh, amazing. And that's just why they can charge that much. They can charge more for it because it's really good, and I keep coming back. And it's funny because I think with editors it's exactly the same. It's like you keep coming back to an editor who maybe charges a premium but is also really good or brings a lot of value. But of course, like I mentioned before, you also need the clients for that. There's some people that really don't appreciate value, and they just want the hours that you put in the hours, and they just want some like hardworking editors, and they don't want to pay them well. So it's also really important to find the right client, because when I started out I thought like, oh, I just want to work for everyone. But yeah, at the end of the day, not every client is the same, and you don't want to work for a lot of clients. And the clients you should go after are the clients who are not too big, so anywhere between like 5 to maybe like 15k followers, and they are already selling a product, so they're making money with their content, and they don't have great edit. Now you might think no one exists like that, but trust me, there's a lot of people that fit that criteria. And not only that, that group is growing every single day. The creator economy is becoming bigger. And you can see it on Skool or WAP, these community platforms, they're becoming bigger and bigger. There's more communities every single day, and that means there's more opportunity for you as an editor, as a full stack editor, to pick up not only their edits, but also like the whole thing around it. Maybe even take a commission deal and grow with the creator. My butt is wet. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you liked it, then leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And then I'll see you next time. Bye bye.